Macquarie Bank has thrown down the gauntlet to its competitors in the fixed rate space. It has now got the lowest fixed rate on our database across 1 to 5 year terms when you exclude green loans, that is. Its lowest rate, 5.19%. We're getting almost to that 4% mark. It's really interesting to see how they've upped the ante in this case.
Yeah, what's the end game here? Is it trying to bring competition to the majors?
Absolutely. It's trying to get people looking to lock in their rate as well. It'll be interesting to see if borrowers take the bait. I think some will, but it won't be a flood of people deciding to fix at this point, because you look at the cash rate forecasts, and we've got economists, all four big bank economists, are saying yes, a cut in May, NAB saying a double cut, and then beyond that we've got CBA, Westpac, ANZ saying a total of 3 cuts this year. NAB is saying a total of 5 cuts through to the first quarter of 2026, including that double cut in May.
Yeah, so you're saying most people are staying away from fixing, but is it going to make sense at some point to fix if we don't see these cuts come through?
Yeah, and it's the crystal ball exercise, because by the time they don't come through, who knows what fixed rates will look like. I think really put the crystal ball aside and think about what suits your finances, what suits your personality. I know someone that has just come off finally a 1.99% fixed rate, and they're thinking about refixing again because they've really enjoyed the security that it's brought them for a large number of years now, and they're not so worried about winning at the RBA game. What they want is peace of mind.
How likely do you think it is that the banks will be complicit in passing on the RBA rate cuts?
I think if we get a single standard 25 basis point cut in May, the big banks and other lenders, well, the majority of other lenders, will pass it on in full. In the last cut in February, we saw the vast majority of lenders pass it on in full. If we get a flurry of cuts in quick succession, that's when we might see the banks holding back part of a cut or not passing on the cut at all, but we're not there yet.
And the flip side of all of this, of course, is the savings rate. I mean, there's been a lot of market chaos. People are taking cash off the table. But where can you get a good rate for that cash now?
Yeah, it's interesting. Deposits, money in the bank from households at another record high, I think, $1.59 trillion. It keeps going up. But the banks are starting to wind down, some of those high savings rates.
So the idea of getting an easy 5% at the bank?
It's not easy to get it. You can get it, but you're going to have to jump through a few hoops every single month in order to qualify. If you're looking at term deposit rates, they're dropping like flies. I think well over 40 banks have cut at least one term deposit rate this month alone, including all 4 big banks.
So what we know is rates are going down.
Rates are going down.
Sally Tindall, thank you.
Thanks for having me, Alicia.